Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are here in Anaheim, California today, and it's super duper sunny. But I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. If you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. Well, let's head into the store right now because I'm super duper excited. This store actually has a 25% off coupon currently, and it's burning a hole in my, well, not in my pocket, on my iPhone. Let's go inside. Well, let's look at the handbag. I don't know why I'm singing. But let's, whew, we got a jumper. Today is actually, today's a Monday. I haven't been to the store on a weekday, let alone a Monday, in a hot second. So let's see what we can find. We have Express, we have a Calvin Klein. Yeah, I was at a little event today with Salvage Dior, and if you guys do not follow her on Instagram, you guys have to, and she's going to be making a YouTube channel very soon. I'll let you guys know when that drops, but for right now you guys have to follow her on Instagram, Salvage Dior. She's amazing. She is truly inspirational, and I know a lot of you guys already follow her. I've talked about her a lot actually, and she's just so awesome. And she hosted a really awesome event today, teaching us about Instagram and all the stuff about how it works and all that, which was very eye-opening. And a lot of that stuff I did not know about, so I am really excited about that. I feel like I have a new wealth of knowledge that I can pull from. And you guys are probably like, Hadrian, just show us some cool stuff at the thrift store. So we're on the hunt. How much are the pool floats right now? Oh, they're kind of I remember when they had them all for $3 each, but I guess that ship has sailed. Oh, these glass hurricanes are awesome. You can line a table with them, a coffee table, dining table. And these are only $1.99 each, which is a pretty good price. If you guys buy those at Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel, it would be very expensive. $4.99. Oh, I have a very similar globe to that. What is this? What is this for? Sticking, to hold the paper? I don't know what this is for. Let me know down below in the comments if you know what this is for. It's kind of cool, a cool decorative object for your table. I don't know. Ooh, this is nice. This might be Pottery Barn because this is really heavy. That's actually, how much is it? $1.99 is not. Whenever you find candlestick holders, look for the glass ones that are really heavy. Then you know they're really good quality. I like the heavier ones, the harder to knock over if they do get there's a possibility of them to get knocked over, especially with my nephews always running around. Luckily they haven't broken any glass candlestick holders yet, knock on wood. But yeah, the heavier ones are always a good option because they're more weighty and they'll stay more steadfast and steady. Alright, I am in the vase. Oh, is that wait, I thought it was strawberry. I don't think it's a strawberry. It looks kind of strawberry-ish though. But always looking for cool vases and planters. What a cool plate. Tabletops Unlimited. Oh, I'm looking for hydrangeas because I want to add a couple more to my tree, but I don't actually see any hydrangeas right now. What are these? Oh, you can make a fake plant wall with these. Let's look at the plates, see if you can find anything cool. These are actually kind of pretty. I like the geometric Project 62. Those are from Target. What I find that's a good way to recognize things in the store is to just walk around regular department stores, Target, whatever, and see what the names and brands are of stuff that they carry. I used to work at the mall, and I had a lot of like downtime, like during lunch or whatever, and I would just like walk around. So that's kind of where I got a lot of product knowledge from as well, as far as like home decor and like clothing and stuff. So I can usually like if I see a brand, I can sometimes normally place it, but then there's always the internet, so you can just look things up. Your phone is like one of your biggest tools when you're looking things up. So if you're ever like wondering about something, usually you can find it online. There are some things like either like more vintagey things or like hard to find or whatever things. Sometimes those things are difficult to find. But usually like plates and stuff are pretty easy. But like home decor, like sometimes that stuff gets a little tricky. But it's not too impossible to find. Oh, these are actually really pretty. My inner grandma's like, ooh, these are pretty blue and white mugs with a floral motif. This is cute. Bentleys. It looks almost like Anthropologie-esque. But one of the things Anthropologie likes to do with their mugs and cups, a lot of the times they like to put a design inside as well. For like those floral ones, at least. Like a lot of like the floral ones, like this shape. The regular like mug, like cup, floral cups that they have that look very, very similar to this. But I think this is actually from like, where are these normally from? I think these are from Michael's or Target. I think Michael's. They look kind of like this, but like it's more floral. Yeah. I'm like, I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this, but someone out there might be interested. Why is this kind of resonating with me? I think it's the colors. Euro Ceramica, $4.99. You guys know I'm like a sucker for platters. There's a turkey one. Oh, is that another turkey? Yeah, it is. Snowman. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Ooh, like a matching set. Today's home. Interesting. They're a little like low today on inventory, but it's probably because it's a Monday. Weekends are big days to go shopping. I was like, I think it's a water purifier. At first I was like, that looks like something from the dentist's office. Ooh, what's this gold thing? This is interesting. It's really heavy. This is another thing that's really cool, but I have no clue what it's for. But it has like bird heads or dragons. I don't know what they are, but it's like raw iron. Does anyone know what that's for? $2.99. Oh, what is this? It's like a tennis racket. That thing's pretty cool too. Looks kind of vintage, like a water canteen. Was that a little gold Santa? Oh, it's like a hook. Oh, okay. It's for a stocking. Interesting. Oh, this is pretty. It's chipped though along the top. Oh, what are those? Do you see those? Those are like really ornate looking. I like really ornate things like that sometimes. Especially when it has flowers. Like made in Italy or something. Portugal. Yep. My gosh, it's like a unicorn. Ooh, magic. It's plastic though. Life ambition, become a mermaid. That's me. Also plastic though. That would have been really cool like in glass. Sometimes I'm wary of like plastic bottles when they're like I don't really know where they're from. I don't know. I feel like they like to hold on to stuff more. These are kind of cool. Oh, this looks kind of vintagey. Oh, it's from 1974. Look at Sylvester has green eyeballs. Time out. They have these grass things. I love these things. This one's like a little gross and dirty, but these can be cleaned. I don't want that one though. It looks really dirty. It's kind of freaking me out just a little bit. This is a pretty print. It's those melamine pieces. This is Vera Bradley. $31. What's 31? It's like Vera Bradley and like Forever 21 put together, but so it's like 31 instead. Seeing what they have in the home decor today. Is this one of those things the kids want? Oh, the wheel's broken. The kids like want something like this. I know like our neighbor has one and the kids are so obsessed with it, but what is this table? Is it a Target table? Yes, it is. The silhouette is really cute, but it's broken. I'm looking for a side table for my aunt. Oh my gosh, remember when I found this white sled at the other Goodwill? This is like similar. These carpets are pretty nice. They still have that pink one, which I've been eyeballing for a hot second. What's in here? This giant box. What a mystery. It is Fairmont steel 6-piece dining chairs. Ooh. Wow. Lots of swimming stuff right now. Oh, let's look through the toys really quick and see if I can pick anything up for the kids, like for Christmas. This is kind of cute. Eliza does love Despicable Me a lot. This one's $4.99. It's like a new from Target. There's I always forget the guy's name. Toomies. I don't know, he's really into Paw Patrol, Minions. He really likes anything Donald Duck as well. Which I feel like is like kind of like a newer occurrence. Like I know he always liked Donald Duck, but I didn't know he liked Donald Duck to the extent that he is like obsessed with him right now. He like told me he wanted to have a Donald Duck birthday party, and his birthday's in January, so man, all these kids have holiday birthdays and they're all around the same time, and it's just like very intense. Alright you guys, I got some crazy stuff. Alright you guys, just got everything inside the car. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the haul video does go up. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye!